Apple's upcoming iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected to launch in September 2026, and the rumored specs look absolutely insane. First, you'll get a massive 6.9-inch OLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, up to 3,000 nits outdoor brightness, and Apple's new Ceramic Shield 2 protection. Performance is expected to be powered by the brand new Apple A20 Pro chip, paired with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage, delivering next-level speed and AI capabilities through Apple Intelligence. Camera lovers, get ready. Rumors suggest a triple 50-megapixel camera setup featuring wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses, with support for 4K video at 120 frames per second. The front camera could jump to 24 megapixels for sharper selfies and video calls. Connectivity may include Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, USB-C 3.2, and advanced ultra-wideband technology. Battery life could be better than ever with a 5,200 mAh battery, 25-watt wireless charging, and even reverse wireless charging. Expected colors include dark cherry, cloud blue, and black. And the expected price? Around 1,79,900 rupees in India, or approximately $1,900. Would you buy the iPhone 18 Pro Max at this price? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.